Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to delete Netflix search history. If you wanna go to your Netflix application and tap the search icon, you can see that Netflix has no search history here. But if you scroll down, you can see now that uh, there's a lot of continue watching from this account. So to delete those or hide those, all you have to do is go to your browser, then go to Netflix website. Then in here, log into your account. Then tap the three lines at the upper left corner and then tap account. Scroll down until you see your account. And in here, tap the arrow down and tap viewing activity. Then all you have to do is scroll down and tap hide all. If you want to hide all those uh, activities, or just tap this icon on those videos to hide those activity. So that's how to delete search history on Netflix. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.